Okay, I'm back to Sacanime due to remodeling at the Sheraton. And we have to register over here at the ballroom. And they want us. Alright, and they want us to get out as soon as we got our wristband. Got one. Got one. Yes. And there's a stand here for food. It's right across from this florist here. Now I'm gonna head back to my hotel. I got my VIP. Yay! Alrighty. So let's move on over there to back to my hotel. So I'm back at Sacanime, everyone. Or not. Ah yes, I'm still recording. Woohoo! Hey, bad and beyond. Terry McGinnis. So it's close here to these restaurants. Oh, there's a new tattoo parlor here. Studio X Hero Anime Tattoos. Ooh. Look at that, everyone.
Yeah, I don't care.
Ah, yes. Nice.
Yeah.
Ah, there's Subway. Eat fresh. Hi, Mary Jane. Hi, Spider-Man.
Yes.
Alright, and the old Safe Credit Union is over there. If you don't have a VIP bond or badge like this one, you'll be waiting in a long line every time you try to get in, which is quite a shame. If you're staying at the hotel, you'll get the free VIP. I think they used to offer VIP separately. Purchase it, but I never seen it on the website. Yeah, anyway, you can't go get tickets at the website anymore. Anyway, you have to pay $80, I believe, for the weekend if you want to. Yes, if you want to at the door, if you want to get in. Oh yes, that's right. The registration will be over here, near the subway here, near the parking garage, actually, garage, as they say in merry old England. There's going to be remodeling. It's going to look like that there. Very nice. Should be ready in December. So time for Sacanime, the next Sacanime in January.
It smells so bad.
There's still the valet here. Oh, hello. How's Princess of Hell?
Welcome to the hotel.
Hi. And guess so you all know here, the registration, you're going to have to go on the 3rd floor. It's going to look like I can already improve it here. Alright, I'm not going to show you off that. It's rather boring. So like, subscribe, stay foxy.